home. I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I'm acting. You held me up when I was down and out, but I don't want you around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. I don't want you waiting too long. She hold me down like gravity.
We on the front page of them blogs. Would you be mad at me if the whole world knew this we was on?
Put the D on me, even Dr. Dre went and put the B on me. But my pussy so exclusive, limited edition. You know it's love, pretty bitches with ambition. Bees on the keys, never go in the ignition. But when I ride it, do it to precision. I can tell it.
Touchdown.
So
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now, let your head out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Monica, and today I'm back with another video. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new, welcome bitch. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on all my social medias. They will be linked down below. So, me coming on camera looking like this is on brand for me, okay? I be getting on camera looking any kind of motherfucking way. It is what it is, okay? As you can see, hair, my lace is talking. Nails, ugh, lashes. Ugh, I look like how I feel, actually. Yeah, focus. Yeah. Today is January 8th. It is Monday, and it's 7:06 p.m. I'm supposed to start this vlog out very productive, very much, you know, 2024 new me vibes. But I started out cleaning up. That was short-lived because I got lazy. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. I got real lazy, so I laid down for a little minute. And then a little minute turned into an hour, and now it's going on 2 hours. So yeah, I was supposed to clean up, mop my floor, do this, do that. Did not do it, but I did steam the curtains, and I did wipe that mirror down, well, all the mirrors down. So that was something. I was supposed to go to the gym, do a Zumba class at 6:30. Like I said, right now it's 7:06, 7:07. Second week of 2024. Doing a horrible job. Outstanding member is a no. We're gonna start over again tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be more productive. I didn't do jack shit today, but tomorrow is always a new day. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just I look a fucking mess. So I'm about to get up, finish editing last week's vlog, and I might do something with my hair tonight. I don't know, cause something needs to be done expeditiously.
I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Buying for your fucking hair, too early for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it. Because you know I care. Bitch, you know you love it here. That's why you keep on coming there. Your nigga can't compete, I swear. He tried but now he live too weird, baby. I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Finally for your fucking hair, too early for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Finally for your fucking hair, too early for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it, and plus because you know I care. Bitch, you know you love it here. That's why you keep on coming there. sweet, I swear. He tried, but now he look too weird, baby. I'll come and stop by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Falling for your fucking ass. Too early for your fucking nails. You're running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. You're running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair.
Hey y'all, what's up? So
should I run her over with my car or should I be cool?
girl, be quiet. Anyways, hey y'all, so today is Tuesday, January 9th, and it's 7:52 p.m. I'm waiting to get picked up because we're about to go to Ale House and watch the basketball games and stuff like that. Because remember I told y'all I was done using Prize Picks? Y'all, I'm back on Prize Pick heavy, okay? I'm back on it. And ooh, I think I'm gonna lose again, y'all. Why you got all them points? You supposed to go less. Anyways, we better go to Ale House, get some drinks, watch the game. I don't even want to show y'all my outfit. I don't like my outfit. I'm not gonna show y'all, but I just uploaded my video from last week, my last week's weekly vlog. So if you didn't watch that, make sure y'all go watch it. It will be on the screen, and it also will be linked down below. I might go to the store because I've been sniffling. I think I'm catching something, but I really think it's my allergies. But at the same time, I go to sleep with the fan on. I can't not go to sleep without the fan. I just can't. But anyway, my mood's kind of down. I do apologize about that, but get some drinks in my system because I'm dead hungry. I'm gonna get some chicken wings. Ooh, and they got pot stickers. So really quickly while I'm here, so you know, I've been thinking about different content that I wanted to do for my channel and stuff like that, and I think I'm just, instead of just asking y'all what y'all think, I think I'm gonna just do it. But I am gonna ask y'all if you care to respond. I'm gonna ask y'all if y'all want to leave comments down below, ideas and videos y'all might want to see. But I was thinking about doing like a perfume collection. I know I'm gonna film me and my best friend Darren. We're gonna truth or drink, and I'm so scared to do a truth or drink with her ass because I told her to think of 10 questions to do.
A team member will be with you shortly. Hungry now? Ordering online at Chili's.com.
Hi, thanks for calling TheMonicaMonique from Tower. How can I help you?
How you doing, man? I was just wondering, do y'all still do the 2 for $25 meal deal?
No, we don't.
Oh, okay. Appreciate you. Right.
Wah.
Kind of want to get like a burger or something. But
I don't care. Ale House and Chili's give the same font.
They be like, smooth, what? Can you teach me how to Dougie? You know why? Cause all the bitches love me. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'.
Alright, so we're at Ale House. I had ended up ordering strawberry lemonade. Ain't nobody fucking with my bro from Morningside. He go by Bubba. We're gonna start the minute pieces to 1 to no drinks. No 0 to 1 drinks.
Everybody trying to do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to screw me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do me. Niggas love to hate, so they try to shoot me. Bitches be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started gloomy. This beat is bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck.
All my bitches love me, all my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
Teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck, teach me how to duck.
Alright, y'all, so I finished up at Ale House, and as you can see, finished my drink, finished the food. It was okay. But I'm about to go home, take my makeup off, tie my hair up, and go to bed because I'm tired. So I'm gonna just talk to y'all tomorrow.
I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem.
If finding somebody real is a fucking problem, bring your girls to the crib, maybe we can solve it.
Oh yeah, bitches in my dime, taking hella long, bitch, give it to me now. Think that thing pop, like it send me up and down. Ooh, baby, like it raw, the shimmy down. ASAP, get like me. Never met a motherfucker fresh like me. All these motherfuckers wanna dress like me, but the chrome to your dome make you sweat like me. Cause I'm the nigga, like how you figure, getting figures and fucking bitches. She rolling cinches, bought her bitches. I bought my niggas, they getting bent up off the liquor. She love my licorice, I let her lick it. They say money make a nigga act rich. At least a nigga rich. I be fucking bros like I be fucking bored. Turn this dyke bitch out, have a fucking bars. Peace.
I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem.
Hey y'all, so today it is Wednesday and it's currently 1:42 and I just got my nails done. I decided to get something new with my nails because usually I always get either really fucking long nails and I stopped that and I started getting back short nails, like just regular square with a color. But I'm like, let's try the almond because I've been seeing the girls getting almond and I've been kind of like looking from a distance like, okay, that looks kind of cute. I don't know, I feel like sometimes almond can give old lady kind of, but I was like, let me get them and I actually love them. It's definitely different. I never got nothing like this, and I got like this cute soft pink color bubble bath. Y'all know everybody named mama got bubble bath at least once in their life. So yeah, that's them, period. Yeah, every time I hair and my nails like that, I feel real homeless, real unhomely, real I don't even know the word. Now we're about to go. He needs an oil change for his car, so we're gonna go get an oil change for his car, and then after that we're gonna get Chipotle later. What's new? Oh shit, oh, we almost got an accident. Ooh. Now we at the car dealership because like I just told y'all, he had to get his oil change, but since we're waiting, we're gonna look at some cars because why not? Anything open? I'm scared. It's not open.
Nah, it looks better if you do it.
Where are the cars though? I want a new car myself, but I'm gonna wait to make the big girl purchase because I really want either a Mercedes car or a Range Rover. But I've been wanting a Range Rover since I was a little girl. So like that's kind of like mandatory. I have to get the Range Rover. I don't give a fuck what I have to do to get it. Before I'm 27, I want my Range Rover. I'm putting that out in the existence. So I got 2 years and some change to get my shit together. What? I don't like Teslas. They look like horseshoes, like. I doubt it's open, but see if it's open. Do you even know how to open one of these? Alright y'all, so I don't know if I already told y'all, but for this car, they said it's gonna be about a 2-hour wait. So we're just gonna go and get my car, go to Chipotle while we wait, and then go from there. Cause this service center, like they don't have like a movie theater, none of like nothing here that we need to wait for. And nothing worth it, so and we're hungry, so we're about to go. Nothing to eat, 'cause like you're not thinking. That's what we have. got home and my mama, she had bought me some Juicy Couture shoes. We're about to unbox it together. This is the box. The box is really cute. And these are the shoes. These are cute. They give like moon boot vibes. These are cute. Got Juicy Couture on the front. Yeah. So yeah, I just want to show y'all these real quick. Anyways, I'm not about to do nothing right now. I'm actually probably gonna lay down until it's time to go because later we're going to the movies later. So I'll see y'all in about 2-3 hours. Hours later, and I actually fell asleep. Let me wipe this lens off. I feel like it looks blurry. It looks better. Anyways, I just woke up and I'm about to freshen up a little bit because like I told you earlier, we're going to the movies. Now, in this movie, we're gonna go see Aquaman 2. First of all, I never watched Aquaman 1. Let's just say that. I never watched Aquaman 1 and I damn sure didn't plan on watching Aquaman 2. But that's on the agenda for today. That's on the docket. So I'm about to do that. I'm about to freshen up. I'm not gonna put on the same thing I had on earlier. I'm gonna just find like a sweatshirt and put some sweatpants on. Cause when I get in that movie theater, I'm bringing a blanket and I'm taking my ass to sleep, okay? Right. Hey y'all, so today is actually January 15th and girl, be quiet. Hey y'all, so today is January 15th and it's currently 4:27 p.m. and I just came on here real quick because I think the last time I picked up the camera, oh wow, they have Stanleys for $5. That's crazy. I just had to close this vlog out real quick because last week, I think the last time I picked up the camera was maybe Wednesday. But Thursday morning, I just woke up not feeling good. Like, I was under the weather. And today's my first day, like, feeling like me again. So, I just wanted to come out here and close the vlog. I know this week's vlog was pretty short, pretty minute. I haven't even edited the vlog, okay? That's why I couldn't post on Monday, but I have a surprise coming for y'all. I'm gonna just tell y'all I'm filming a truth or drink because I asked y'all last week if y'all want to see a truth or drink. So I'm gonna be filming that sometime this week. I don't really know yet, but it'll definitely be up between now and before next week's vlog. So hopefully we'll see. I just want to thank y'all so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and follow me on all my social medias, and I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching my video. Bye.
Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like